Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this Toyota Sienna 2013 and in this video I'm going to show you how to do the oil change, air filter change and cabin filter change. So let's get started. Alright guys, these are the spare parts we're gonna need. We have here the oil filter, TH9972. Here we have the oil, TRW20. This is the cabin filter, TB10285. And this is the air filter for the engine, 10755. I'm gonna leave the link down below here in the description so you can get the same spare parts. Alright guys, so let's come underneath the car. Right here in the oil pan, we're gonna use a number 14 socket wrench. There we go. Next one. Now let's take off the oil filter. Alright guys, so this is the drain plug for the oil filter, but in order to change it you gotta remove this cap. To remove that cap you mandatorily will have to purchase this Toyota oil filter wrench. I bought it in AutoZone for $6. It's not that expensive, but you gotta get it beforehand. Now we're gonna change the seal right here. Two seals, the small one, the big one, and this thing. This is the housing, and as you see, this little thing goes in here and it's supposed to drain the oil filter. So you just screw it and it is mounted. Right now it doesn't make any sense, but this is just to show you. You just put it right here and you're gonna drain the whole filter. So let's keep going. Okay, this is the new one. So I'll put it. There's the new O-ring, and here on the back we can as well and get the new one. There it is. Let's put the new filter. So I'm gonna clean. Let's take the tool. Okay, it is stopped right there. Now let's tighten this one. There we go. It's good. All set with the filter. So now let's put back the bolt. Okay. So you could use a number 14 wrench or this one, 9/16. So we're all set. Now we can put the oil here in the engine and take off the cap. Let's put this plastic bottle as a funnel and let's pour in the new oil. Alright, this is the sixth one. Now let's put back the cap. Right now, let's change the air filter. I take off these clamps right here. I pull this away, and as you see, it was ready to be changed. It was dusty, dirty, filthy. Let's put the new one. This right here. Just make sure it sits well all around the edges. And put it here. And slide it all the way in. Put the clamps back, and this is it. This is the engine air filter. Now we gotta change the cabin air filter. For the cabin filter, we're gonna use this filter. This is the reference from FRAM brand. We're gonna open the glove box. We gotta pull off this strut right here, and now we gotta squeeze the glove box from the sides. Okay, just like this. And right here we're gonna find this cap, just like that. Now we're gonna take off the filter. Oh wow, so dusty. Here we're gonna match the airflow arrow. It's gonna be like this, pointing down. We're gonna slide it all the way in. Perfect. Now we're gonna close the lid until it clicks, and we're all set. And this is it, guys. This is how you replace oil, engine air filter, and cabin air filter in this Toyota Sienna 2013. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching. See you next time, guys. So I'm gonna put everything back, put back the glove box. This is straight, just like that. All set. Perfect.